So Jane, tell me. Afuhlekise wona nompresident kahle upresident akahlekisa ya so agama uJohn umelelena kahle kahle
uagama
asiqase alright asiqase ngo-A
uagama abantu abaningi bayagugula bedinga bekuswela ukuthi kuJohn but it's an abbreviation
is an abbreviation
yeah uA umele ukuthi
asiqase uA
umele ukuthi aspire
oh from A kanje siyakuji
then so uchi great
sabon
great for greatness, for power, for something like that.
Oh great
Yeah.
okay so okay so asiku M
ungajigijimela kakhulu usuyeqile
oh yes kanje uno A
agama aspire great then A ngowe action.
Oh yeah. So A for aspire,
great,
G for great, then A for action.
Exactly.
So next M.
Mastery. Mastery.
Mastery. Hold on, uthi the masters.
Yeah, mastery.
The master. Then so A uthi agama. Ashford.
Aggression. Aggression.
Aggression. So it's A for action.
Aspire.
So A for aspire.
Aspire. Great. Then
aspire. Action.
Master. Then aggression.
But aggression.
Aggression.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was my moment of the week. Umalvin Moy, president of Agama, explainer, abbreviation Agama. Welcome to Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Proudly brought to you by Praxol Electrical and Solar Energy. I feel I go tell you because go energy. Can you do very amandla amaningi mfundise ngugreatly aggression. I'm your host, Ashford Radio. As always, with my partners in crime, Layo Leslie Mdluli, aka Masutu, ingayisutu, kumbele yisutu.
Lema yisutu.
Yisutu.
Mangqokele ubuthongo behla mnandi mfethu.
Ulalu
abehla
peaceful.
Lama dreams abamnandi.
Ngapha ndo butho aka amkhokhela somele ngudingele linye ngathi ngoba wayala wathi umkhokheli vele likhona kulo kwezini kupheli
master
utho aka master
ngirighting nje kase master kakhulu. Welcome guys.
And lastly but lo mqondisi Shongwe aka Savereza awafaka my booty
Senza njani mtana?
Clean mna la ngikholise kakhulu uMalvin umbolele.
Manje ukhama buya le ntezi.
Aggression. So anyway, we're broadcasting live from Kuala Lumpur go to Ziyatunga at Depth 3 Studios. That's where person movie we are called. Akuyafika kuchele ba. Let's just get on right with it. Ukuyafika kune okwenzakele njengoba siqahle hleza qasa ngoMalvin uMalvin uyenzele ukuthi but uyilwana ukugcina nxa ukuthi wevara I think ufake le studio la
But I look at much aggression,
but yikho kumbe laba wabajuma uchale
Alapona I think aggression lo nomphiyo ngchale because challenge wathi waqasa wathi aggression. Ingazumbi uRosaline wife lekwazi uma
uthi agama yena lwana indaba ngani ufake le studio la uyibonile nje into ngani mina ngani ngisolile uthi agama lwana abbreviation yana ngani ifake kume vele inaji
maybe ngekho ready for interview.
wayengekho ready
ready for the interview but uba khona very cool
abbreviation
yabe very cool
yena liyano action grid master then aggression akulomsebenzi anyway yikho khona kathi sakuthini nxa umningi phela umpresident club president lo club president esitshela yikho mele sikwamukele the meaning ka agama nje siwabonile ama mighty warriors bravely as their mighty warriors ngoba singakhangelelanga ukuthi bengachova njalo up to bebe number 4 sikhangela ukuthi ngendlela into ebezenzakale ngakhona up to beze befika ku number 4 first badliwe yilokhuzeni badliwe South Africa kuma semi badliwa la kuma penalty futhi then sabona last game yabo badliwa eZambia 3-1 how to make of I performance yabo ku Kosovo ngihle ngiqase ku right back wami ngapha uThomo Moisudo uthi nxa igqokulu la mnandi afasa usman
mina mighty warriors honestly loba edliwe laphana in terms of preparation yawo announce late even the squad zabo sanema late but they managed to progress and they managed to ukuthi bebonisa ukuthi lento yabona badlale ngepassion ngayo yonke into yabo like ngikhale that igoli kaNkazana lwa
ini
igoli
Ikolo kaNkazana la awusiva wesispe
liyana awushayile baba amfuna ukutshela manga kuyo yonke into ku tournament yonke kanje into engichazileyo hayi borelela naso borela incane even labafana balishayile liya
Thongo Chinyerere
balishaya ngikhale ngalo liya
yazi singakaqhubeki nyanyenyezelo lapha endlebeni and these days ubufaka ama into zabo lezi obu producer uyanitshela ukuthi kanti ndoda awufa certificate sibuyile guys to all our viewers bese ngikhodliwe futhi khona bana ku intro bazantsha now nguwe futhi Jake angikhumbuze nguwe wathi sokumele sihle sikufaka ukuthi nama nominee nansi certificate sibuyile guys mbona ndiyasibona we are now officially NAMA nominated podcast, one of top 3 in the country. Top 3 in the country. Mana ngisifaya ngabe producer njengoba uthi unchingeni. Mvali porele blue njoba eyinye idlwe 5. Baza just yafika lapho. Anyway, let's continue.
Yabona ngiyavunguza babambanisa
ngamaphupho uthi uthocha igoal sharp
yabona inkinga uhlanganisa isindebele lesikhiwa ke ungasaphumi kahle ngendlela ufuna ukufaka ngayo but the point is besizwile sithi I know the irony kopora khona manje alichayiwe
loni kopora la khona
alichayiwe awubethile because who drive this I don't know how many meter drive that was because
that's a good goal.
She played very well. It was a spectacular goal and even very checker from Uma group stages uzofika to the point where esiphume khona ku-semi-final
Semi-final,
we
yeah.
played very good football. We only considered that semi-final and the
South
third
Africa.
place and the third place kuphela, which meaning to say the defense was rock solid. And by the way, we were nominated again kuma-group stages team of the team of ama-group stages,
Okay.
basically coaches, like keepers, lama players angu-2. So it
Dominated that 11, yeah.
so
Okay.
it shows ukuthi khona the girls given a chance to play. Ungasikho lokho ukuthi badlala sebephuma ukuthi abuyanini ngoba sofuze sefeature in. Bephiwe isikhathi to prepare and be organized, having time to play. They were going to do much better. Maybe final they were going to go there.
That's a some opinion, or I think you singakashoot ukukhuluma something ukuthi even if final 11 we've got I think 2 players.
Yes.
Bengakayiboni la.
I mean, I always emphasize on one thing. If the government or my corporate sponsors or my benefactors keep on pumping imali towards Iporada Mankazana, I think you are destined for greatness or wonders, really. Because this stage is on is ngazikhangela sothi bronze match. Ama-Warriors amadoda aqina nofika khona. So abafazi, they are making us proud when it comes to the football. But yibo abangathi balekhani i-support. So i-government isicelo besinge sokuthi
But it's getting better, Jensa.
yeah.
Consider esikubonile akusafani.
Akufani. Okutshengisa ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa i-sponsorship deal lesi saba khona vele kudala. Abantu laba babeza performa njani?
Ngcono.
Yeah, but le bhora la yabafazi la kumele ngathi yaqhathekiswa liphiwe isikhathi esingathi njani si right esokudlala because of fatigue landlani kuyabachaya abantu na ukuthi abadlala.
Enye into to add on to what uSaveleza is saying, inhlezi ngikhuluma into nxa sokuyi-Premier League abafazi, at least nxa kukuthi khona ama-games ama-stadiums lawa njengabo-BF babhizi ngabo-Lokozeni ngama-weekend, abafazi abadlaliswa during the week midweek bedlalela kubo-BF, bedlalela kubo-Rufaro, bedlalela kubo-Luveve uma-proper stadium wenza ukuthi nxa sebethola those opportunities to go and represent the country bengaqala ukwethuka ama-Lokozeni ama-stage fright. Yikho kunye okusibulalayo because bona badlala ezikwakwena abantu ayi-division 1. So khona ukhana yikho okusibulalayo.
But bengathi kule deal on the line ukuthi i-Women Premier League ikhulume le PSL then abafazi bese bekhethe and raise the line.
Exactly.
I think that will be dope.
That will be Lokozeni. Sesibela ko kanoti khalesi lama abantu abasupport women football bengabuye ebhoreni la amadoda but nase bekwanisa it will increase the attendance kuyabalance labantu bethola exposure amankazana.
And I think once they do that ingapasa or bengayikhangelisisa beyibona ukuthi it's a good idea because amanye ama-stadium agcwala, amanye ama-teams ala support, but uzathola ukuthi kungaba abafazi they will bring their own fans, then the team lana isithola I think that would be sokusiya ukuthi maybe nxe yiphi team eza-adopta which team for this particular stadium kuningi okumele kudlalwe nxa usukukhangela ngelihlo elibanzi. Anyway, I think we're all proud of what the Mighty Warriors did, guys. They deserve everything that should come their way. Moving on, a level of football as Zimbabwe. Now, I think I'm excited for this coming season, guys. I'm super excited because what I saw during the course of Kaina endabeni zokulontsha kwama-kids were invited ku-kit launch ye-Chicken angalo Butho. What I saw from that particular event, iChickenin bethutsha executive bekumasutu lama-players mdala, it's showing a level of growth ebhoreni lakithi. Ungakhayela ukubuya kwabo Scotland kwakunganithiwa abantu ongani bayakhala, but I think sokufike esikhathini sokuthi abantu bebona ukuthi ochomi laba belenye competitiveness uthi amanye ama-team sekubona ukuthi no gents singayekela ukukhweza ama-socks siyasalela. Wayibona njani even njengoba sasisonke Brom?
Yeah, I think i-level yakhona isithuthukile and it makes you proud as a fan as well. And if maybe ngekho wrong, in Zimbabwe I know I'm right in Zimbabwe, but in the world, angazi ukuthi Chicken Inn is the first team to have its own brand, which is a two-piecer, which is a two-piecer.
Oh, a two-piece.
As he produce ama-kits, he produce konke ama-socks, ama-sportswear yabo lana. So it's something which, as a value addition, being innovative. It's
uyacabana lo Saverezi eseduze kwakho ngathi iChiefs ikwenzeni lokho nje
haya nadala wabakhona iChiefs ila emakhosi we
ngiyanini
sileminyaka
babe labo Adidas eceleni kwabo labo amakhosi.
Hayi
makho proper amakhosi we
that's why I said if I'm not wrong.
You're wrong.
So, thanks for correcting. But nonetheless, it's something which is good. And it shows ukuthi khona bafuna ukuthuthukisa in value and it minimize ama cost okuthenga support abanye abantu like lokhu ziqhatha athi ngqoki Adidas ngqoki Nike ngqoki something like this while list ama labels when you can also create your own cost abantu bahlanya ngo CR7 ndawazilungisela create uzeni yakhe so if makhosi we khona and the two pieces is there is something which makes you proud as a fan even if nxa ngumakhosi fan I will be proud in ngqoki into enjalo lami as a Chicken Inn fan I will be proud and even dana lawa wayibona hayi it was top notch the organizers everything was there abantu bekhona sibongo othamba nomzo 7 was there
Jays
Marapini noluntu were there to present ama kids at
yama
models and we supporting local talent as well.
Yeah.
So even the person behind the voice Iqudela Ukhulu was also there. Mrs. K. So it's something which I am proud of and aspiring ukuthi mbone something more than that sokusenzakala ground because indaba yonke isenkundleni lana iappetizer sasilinika yona
mana ngithathe ngisuke kuwe ngibise laba abangakayenzi lutho ukuthi wayibona njani event eChicken Inn ukhangeleleni ukuthi la enxa ukhayela ukuthi le ekulalisa kuhle celebrate 100 days njoba sikaboni bona ikit yabo belontsha ukhayela kweChicken Inn uthathani ukhiphana ukhangeleleni kule ndale 100 days
thina singakusho ukuthi kuya ngokuthi iadministration yakhona esindebele bathi ilangazelelo ngakanani kumbe ile heart engakanani in terms of football things nje so ungakhangela iChicken Inn the way yenze ngakhona even loba beposta kuma social medias kuma Facebook la you can say this lokhu bekuhle but in terms of our team iIslanders it's turning 100 years acabanga ukuthi konke lokho uChicken Inn labo Bulawayo Chiefs labo Scotland bazabonela kithi because thina bafethu is from 1926 remember sindala kule Pirates nge11 years sibadala yabo so kade sicabanga bazabonela kithi but yiko ngikhuluma administration kuya ngokuthi kulabo bani khona pha thina hayi so far asingeke sithi cela nikhangelele kithi hayi
bebenciliza lontsha
no akithi kusase as long kithi sesilontshile sebe drive amadoda lana it's all right
Savereza ubone njani eChicken Inn njo iChiefs la olilontshe on a different style
mina one good thing I realized about ilaunch eyenzakeleyo not launch eChicken Inn kuphela even eHardrock I think Blair Chiefs have inspired our so many teams to have their own, to create actually their own streams of revenue. For instance, and I want to Kadesi Chicken Inn and they two-piece I think it will be locally made.
It is locally made.
Hardrock is also being locally made. Mpambe but kokianoti kates bazawuse katama yama cost because now I think it landing cost a t-shirt one I think it was $13.
Imagine.
So a replica will be available for all our fans because abantu bekusiba nzima ukuthi benjani bebe le replica cause bekusokudura
bekusokudura
lakho kungayisi ukuthi kuduriswa ukuthi ithiwa ama-teams afuna ukudurisa but kungama-costa abahlana lawo.
But speaking about ama-launch guys, I think I was more inspired nge-Bulawayo Chiefs. You know why? Siphila ku-digital space. I-Bulawayo Chiefs ayenzanga anything fancy, anything expensive. They made us a trailer. Ongani i-movie nje ama-ninja behlezi be-deliberator betafuleni lapha nothi osenzeni thuchi ninja nje ili-flyer from nowhere le kid bola bet. That was nice, James. That was
abantu abangafuna ukuyivuma nje asivumeni it's iBulawayo Chiefs in terms of order creativity baba mawulandela even uyilandela khona phana Chiefs Village baba la uyakubone baba anje mala sipha amanzi abo bekhangile iBulawayo Chiefs hayi even creativity yabo yonke into yabo hayi vele imnandi akula uyabona kwaba le mazulu remember ise stadium sona siya iselokuze ngoba yehluleke ukumitha ama standards wona la but mawula phana mfethu angazi akula into ongayidinga phandle you feel ukuthi ya ufootball creativity yonke into order what hayi iBulawayo Chiefs yabusa asivumeni.
Yeah, iBulawayo Chiefs I think is working within their budget. Abala mali efana na le Scotland othi begcine bebiza uRick Ross. Yona eScotland vele bekungathi kuse Paris ku runaway bekuyi modeling akusho. Yeah,
that was too much.
Scotland.
That was
But I think it's necessary though. I think it's necessary.
If you can yenza into engabelana nawo.
Exactly. You know why I'm saying it's necessary? And besikhuluma ukuthi since ukubuya kwabo ama levels bafake exactly
pressure singekho
ikhona
basimazi sama pressure.
I think okunye into engcithe iScotland ukuthi iScotland is associated itself with ama corporate brands akha ngathi now they are willing to pour imali ngoba babonthi ibrand yabo enjani is going far. For instance ngiboni Swan bought 5,000 t-shirts. Any t-shirt was bought for 1 million after being signed by a president. Then omunye vele into zangikhona yabobona ukuthi hayi.
Yeah, and you want creativity, creativeness esikhuluma ngayo nani. Somebody just thought of it ukuthi kona wathi isikhambisa t-shirt le ku president sayina then sesayinile sesidla ngesignature naleya sesi auction. So
1 million gents.
If you have got money 1 million is a lot to you. But umuntu oyithengile is nothing because mina ngaze ngikwanise because angaze ngibambe vele.
Let me take you back a bit. Issue lesike sakhuluma ngayo. Umfana lo teenage wapeacekeeper nguMessi bra. Messi. Lionel Messi ayisigqokile.
That's the same thing asayikhuluma isithi kona sometimes ikwesa sikhuluma ngakho lapha sikhuluma ngendaba provisional ukuthi kona ifuze ifakwa ngesindebele because ibhora the talent yabo lili talent njalo akuthi ukuthi esicelo ucelezile mbijana wakwana uyahlakaniphi 442 ngawumfana wale 442 wayeza faka i-t-shirt lakane eyifake nga ewardrobe umbe ifake ku display
eglassini
ethula umsindo i-career siliphelile engasakwanisa ukusustain yayathengwa even nge-30 million. Yes, because eka Maradona ikhona yathengiswa ngemali more than 10 million after how many years?
I remember
the name uMessi upeacekeeper nguRonaldo ufana ukuthi lo muntu okunika ifortune yonke impilo yakhe uyenika umuntu
more than ifortune abanga
esayine ngupresident isithengiswe
umuntu mimar
esayine ngupresident 1 million.
So lapha nalithi teenage throw away investment.
Yes, what wala simali
but yabona lana likubeka njalo I think mina ukuthi ama players ngesikhathi esachisa they should try to invest entweni ezine singabaqinise sibabona sekuthiwa umuntu segwetshwe 12 years for imbanje from a good footballer like Amit to a prison
It-
12 years is too much just because umuntu lwana phela played
Sihle wabambe yinye nje
ama-teams
khona.
like
yikho phela
Kaizer Chiefs
esikutshoyo
and all.
usavereza yikho esikutshoyo khona usavereza okuza kwenza ukuthi ungene kuma-drugs awusela into yokwenza i-football career isikhathi esincane usuthole i-opportunity gold time lo investment thatha iskipa lesana usifake eglasini laphona usifake emdulwini sithule umsindo sezishuba suthengisa lokho thi oronaldo banamabhalon do wabo laba bagcinile sokushubile ayithengisa nge-2 million e-auction 1 million 3 million sesurvival nxa iphela sethengise yini that's investment yebo
Hayi laphana wayiphila.
but uphiwe wonke umuntu ubonile
Waphiwa i-gold mine
wonke
nje.
umuntu ubonile sisuke kumesi
And ile video nje.
asingeke sikubone embanjeni
asitholakali manje ngeskipa nje ilembe elidabukayo wayabe sevukile lapha
so mina I think maybe i-PSL imele ifundise abantu on lokhu
after football life
after football life because I think even lo
But yakwazi ukuthi
I saw it kulokhu zenini kukhithi lokhu zenini le ku-event enadi khona
eChickenini.
echicken upresident lwana ekhuluma ukuthi people should try to invest in life after football because out there is hard
wayikhuluma belenze example ngoClemens Matau. Uthi look at Clemens Matau uthi
wasenzile i-degree lakhe sport science i-understand kanti i-career yakhe is booming ngaze iphume laphana kwe-chickenini ngaze iphume kulokhu zenini kuzifa he can move forward because he has built himself akazange emelele ukuthi ibhola seliphelile but academically wenza something else which is so good and ngama-players amaningi afunda kuye ngaku-right khangela into esikhuluma even ngoKhadebe do you think ukuthi kona sesishuba kuhle kuhle uKhadebe uScotland uyabe ezabuye ezomnika something
engcewe layo kuyabe zabe sezijubile ilife asiyazi. Ilife asiyazi.
asonto yokuthi funga ukuthi abafana ukuthi baphilele i-social media yi-problem yabo kufana ingoma nje onikhala ingoma ehlatshelwa ngabafana tesi bazihlabela 2 days seziphelile but ikhayele zabo lena dishakata zahlatshelwa abaningi outland dembo bengazalo umuntu gutsi baze bangona uma-national hero because lo Majaivan because bahlabela ingoma ezile message
ukuthi la kusasa
la kusasa but singayenzeli ikhathesi njengamakhowa asihlanyeleni into eziyalasta
Bensithi mphongula ibisela nje but into lana because ihle yenzakala masinya. I understand ukuthi you can actually sell iskipa us-auction.
sathengisa sikaMaradona
You understand? So isikoti
kuthiwa adlala ngaso ifinali ka-1930 bani sayathengiswa lapha
ungafiki khona apho.
U-19 bani?
Maradona bra.
esawona naso 1986 lapha
86. Maradona ubenze kansi.
ngo-1986 yona adlala ngayi-final sayathengiswa ngemali yonke
wayesebulewe ama-drugs ese-win.
eseyizombi
Wayesebro andabona into oyikhulumayo even khathesi bebekhuluma siku-sporting lo sporting scene utsho umlo we-boxing lo othi bekhala othi ezibiza man Mayweather uyabroka bra khathesi efuna ukuphendula wethu lo Pacquiao kuthiwa sebrokini it shows ukuthi elifini into zenzakala umuntu uyakwanisa ukubroka even because uBoyzey la abantu bedlala udlala e-States maybe ncebe ngakacabangeli kusasa because into esikhuluma lana i-gold mine ayiphiwe ngoba wacheka ijezi le-Scotland elisayinwe ngupresident 1 million US dollars imagine price ka-Messi bra
and upresident ufake isignature yakhe mahara bra
then in comparison ese-Hard Rock i-Hard la ibela so ese-Hard Rock besayinwe mbani kani ngupresident uJawanda sithengise 25,000 US but ama-levels obvious achiyana but it's showing ukuthi there is money to be made in this game and kuma-kit launches gona bana is showing ama-levels eZimbabwean football esikiyo khathesi currently going forward speaking about ama-kit and ilokhuzeni ama-sponsors asengenile elokhuzeni eBhoren kini is-Bola Bets kini is-Lucky
ayisemaningi kakhulu
but Franchise lucky bets then sibone oBudas besiya eBotswana even la besayine corporate 24 lena nge-medical ngithi sibabone besiya eBotswana kule picture I think umenzi uzayifaka abafana na bese lokhuzeni lapha
I just wonder ukuthi kathi what is really happening to those big teams
bese Buda lapha
because angeke ukuthi traveling gear lana wayengaqoka i-team engange-Highlanders. I was so disappointed actually.
Mina I beg to differ there because into leyana it will go back to the players themselves. abafana baphambanise ngokugqwa amapatapata lawana ama-pushing lawa because
man ungahambeli phambili abafana baphambanisanga anti yabona ukuthi like asibuyele kini ku-kit launch yini you could see there was someone othi gents this is how we're dressing abafana bephuma emarumini guys let's go back this is how we're dressing umuntu oqhajiweyo so it shows igap
also igap nale ukuthi someone akayenzanga kuhle umsebenzi wakhe because nga abafana laba begqoka into zabo lezanani bagqoka nama sports wemba ama tennis or something else it was going to be nice but the problem ukuthi ama players they don't understand ama pushing down they are meant ukuthi after 90 minutes ugqoka ama shooters lana lokuze i-blood circulation yabe minimized after ibhola ugqoka ama pushing down but bona sonke isikhathi bengavele bona sihamba sibagqokile bengena la setown besiyanga they are not meant for that
ifootballer brown ayisoni
they are not meant for that they are meant ukuthi bagqoke after a game kumbe after a training ukuthi igazi njani circulate bona sibagqoka besebhoda so khona phana umuntu o responsible for that since that I'm borrowed your words o responsible for that I think is the one who made a mistake nga bagqoka amateki bagqoka any sports or ama sneakers or something else it was going to come out nice the same thing ayigqoke chicken in the nice because bagqoka ama tennis
angazi ukuthi wena uyibone njani because mina my only worry was ukuthi mbona iskipper sikaNyondo but uNyondo is no longer with Islanders we all know mbone sinye umbe kwakuMelika we all know is not longer with Islanders Gillian I think is born I think khona phana kulomunye umuntu mepenxe who is not doing his job or image abakayithathi on a serious note but ngoba ngacheck ama bucket yesi mina ngancanywa amachino la indlela abagqoke ngayo ngancanywa ithi ngabe babezishayela even amanye amalokhuzeni ama shirts kungayisiwe lana boMelika labo Nyondo to me that was proper uniform angazi kuwe
baba sikhulume ngecreativity sikhulume ngokuthi i-team njenge-Highlander ilabantu abaningi ababayibhekileyo mawuse uyabonakala wena uliplayer lele sign ngabe ugqoke elibhalwe uGillian ngaleso sikhathi akasekho sedlalela elokhuzeni ngala nje ukuthi sedlalela iGwanda Pirates umnye sebhala uMelika sedlalela iBulawayo Chiefs what bring i-picture yakho ibonisana nje kuyabonisa ukuthi something is wrong somewhere yabo which means sesikhuluma ngama-chinos mina ngihambelana lobuthi sesikhuluma ngama-chinos ichino ngendlela ayigqoke njalo mina mfethu ngathi mbona ilokuzeni ya mina obvious mina ngangiyamlanda kumbe ngumvelo kumbe ngubani mfenge ngithi kamama
kamama njani
kamama cause the way ayigqoke ngayo kwangani ngokamama baba kwangani kumbe iband siyaqala manje sesilindele 2 minutes eband yabo kwangani iband
abasithubana
umuntu ohlamelayo
kwangani siyahlabela lezi ngoma eze-energy yabo ingoma ze-energy leza ezogidaz lokuzeni
so uthini
it's not for sports bafethu ipatha lihlohlo bafethu
eze-energy kanje bani angithi eze-energy ugodoluthi so uthini ugodoluthi
no mfethu singafaka amachino sifake lamaphaca kube khona ukubutho zokusho ukuthi kube ngifaka ama-sneaker kwangani kuba lo uyisport wanyana but lapha kwangani lapha kwaswela okuyizikhwama kwabo kwabogodolude lokho ufaka emasayidini hayi baba lokho azakusola lokhala it was very bad ipatha lihlohla kubad lokhala Highlanders
but I understand ukuthi eHighlanders ikusame situation efana le Dynamos abakabi lawo bonke ama sponsors singakhayela even igame eDynamos yezolo ikit liyana kumbe bayipendise empare kumbe bayiprintise ngapi ngathi kufike waprintiswa
abalama sneaker wena
isekhulumela ama sponsors
ngithi kodwa wena kunguwe wena kunguwe nje nabafana sebegqokile uyababona ukuthi abafana laba cause iHighlanders bayihamba mfethu nje kunje wena kule lapho ogqoke khona but uthe uma ugqoka wathi awugqokile wena for the sake of abantu omphakathi but ngalami shaya all star mana ngigqoke Adidas elinje nje okay wena ubabona beHighlanders asithi you are part of administration ubabona sebegqoka amaphaca namachino wena ungahlala sibithi aswi asiyasema sponsor
I think sometimes kule need ukuthi khona as I team sinanzelela ukuthi i-brand iyalimala unganani ngalokho sikwenzayo because kuchiyene ukuthi liku training loku travel ngali travel ngaseli ku training liyakwanisa ugqoka even obhala omedical ugqoka even obhala ojileni ku training awulandaba because lami sengathi sungathi no wasichiyelwa
But I
ngojileni
think it's paid.
man angisho it's justifiable wasichiyelwa
It's not
ngojileni
justifiable for professional side. This is what I'm saying. Ngelevu ebhora leZimbabwe selikhona akusayenzi. Lesiyana nxa sivele sabhalwa sathi medical.
most ama-teams amaningi eZimbabwe akwenza because
Kurong.
abafuni ukuwa-release
Ayisiki ukuthi ku-right. Yike ngikutsho kurong khona kya. Ayisiki ukuthi khale singahamba but ukhama billiard wadlala iChaizer Chiefs. Emakhelwane awusoze ufike etrain ufike kulo muntu ogqoka isikipa sakama billiard ngoba isuyu ukama billiard ukama billiard akahambe lento zakhe ngasekho is not part of that furniture ukama billiard seku Scotland
umuntu lanxa ngahle uperforma kuhle kuyaphambanisa futhi image kaKama billiard but nonetheless esokwenzakele khona okukhuluma ukuthi khona ibhoso okwelukuzeni okwama sneakers ayisikho ukuthi khona kufunakala ama sponsor I doubt ukuthi kulo muntu ongasweli tennis even ngambe bazigqokela ama All Star baba ngomapansula kawani behamba khane wafana benga abasemalokishini bahamba benze njalo kuzoba nice iproblem yaba khona lapha nakimi ngedwa ngamapatapata lana bebagqokile I think kungena amapatapata begqoke something okuvalekileyo it was going to come out nice
but ibona ama-gaps yebo siyabona but I think okunye gents like proper esikukhuluma khona lokho okunye akudingi imali akudingi ama-sponsor so kudinga umuntu ozananzelela ukuthi gents why big brand because even issue lezi ezingwane sibabone besebhoda ngengwane zabo leziya sibabone 3 days later bebukele igame I think it's 3 days later lokho bekusem-attire there's something wrong proper because ungacheka akufuni imali lokho
listen
i-team lana is celebrating 100 years but
wena ingwane liya abegqokile izigqoko leziya yilo bathiwa uvuke ekuseni lawe kumbe uyathanyela ngokugqoke la
hayi lokho masithi
liyana liyana
ngithi seningasola what I'm saying
into ekhunya ngokuzeni
sorry amfuna ukuthi kukhanya ngani sisola
ama players
even kuyi Jay into ingazibe njani mbudasi
yabona khangela into ekhunya ngolokuzenini ngu-Ash lapha it's like this i-executive yebhoso asobantu bebhora
exactly
that's where the problem comes into ade ikhuluma ukuthi khona ku-chiefs kule executive yebhora they understand ukuthi khona into lezi esifuze sizenze ngezebhora bale mali abayiphiwe nguchivayo imali abayiphiwe nguchivayo you can take another money lithenge something for i-training for i-preparation for abafana ukuthi begqoke athi ukuthi lokho
lisebenzisana kanti ibhakethi ethi imali nje ngithi singakayikhatshana ibhakethi ethi manxa ucazwa amabhakethi
lana ama-dollar I think la kuprinta i-dollar vele singaba
imagine
I think into eyi-problem vele kwa-Islanders i-Islanders siyajayela ama-freebies because even kuba le proper kit yayigcina ukuba le proper kit yayiphiwe isakuni yabuya futhi phakathi kwesikhathi so i-Islanders ayifuni ukukhipha imali iyenze izinto ezinjani ayifuni ukukhipha imali iyenze into eza-uplifta image yabo
this is what I'm saying
400 I will repeat my words mina I thought ukuthi i-Islanders since is celebrating 100 years is going to make a fortune ngokuthengisa ama-replicas awan awucelebrate 100 years but it seems like akulanto abayenzayo
mina ngikhulumela selling the brand bra as Islanders I understand ukhona esikhulume nge-dollar printing ndengwana mdala kulomunye umuntu olelinye ilihlo dokhere asithenge namabhakethi ethu ayi abafana labana abangaki asithenge ukuthi betshintshe Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday so what design ebe different not ukuthi ingwane one but as 5 days yabona ipicture uyikhipha but anyway it is what it is yike esikubonile uma ngomele
inkinga yethu siyathanda ukusola
no amfuna ukuthi yazi didini amfuna ukuthi khanya so ngikhulumela ukuthi ezinye izinto azifuna imali it's just i-creativity
and the love of the thing
you understand ungacheka put us ku kit launch yenu kwaphuma ama tracksuit amangaka sikhuluma ama tracksuit but showcase ama tracksuit atshiyeneyo but showcase izikipa ezijeneyo so it shows ukuthi ukutshintsha kuqhakathekile uyakwazi ukuthusha namhle uchaye ungacheka ilokhuzeni ibula Chiefs uyakhipha izikipa ezingaki ininja leya abafana namhle bakwanza ugqoka lesi kusasa begqoke lesi akuduri so usiya ngomuntu o responsible for i-brand ye-team i-celebrating 100 years gents namhla sigqokeni ingwane lezi sile away kit iyalenda zile away kit yegqoka red namhlanje sigqoka ingwane ezi-red kusasa siyabukela ibhora agqoke nezi-white kusasa siye-training agqoke black and white. That's creativity. It's $6 ingwane imali lezana bazithola. So it's not about money. So saying creativity lokhu uqhakathekisa ibrain leni because ezizinto maybe bezichecka bengazibone kuhle, but anyway it is what it is. Yikho kwenzakalayo, we cannot take that away. Besikukhuluma sikubonisa sikhayela ukuthi amanye ama team khathesi akhona ayenza njani. Even wadrop ebuyile betshengisa away kit obulawo Chiefs besikhuluma nje it's not man, but bakutshengisa ukuthi no ngendlela i-brand esifuna ukulimaintaina ngalo. This is how we're maintaining i-brand in comparison to i-Dynamos leya lendas lamanye ama-team that are there esingakabone launcher and stuff. So sikufaka umlando kona lokho ama-team ngendlela eScotland esifake ngalo ibhora leZimbabwe. In moving on, gents, away from ama launches, I think you've already touched on the issue. 5-0 there was the Castle Challenge that took place at Rufaro Stadium. Scotland Football Club taking on Dynamos. What you couldn't mind Dynamos ebigqoke ngayo. I think what you can say khona lapha.
There was no way they were going to perform better while least wearing like that. I'm not lapho ngiyala. There was no way. Dynamos kangathi sibile kan ubunzima ama results lana esabonileyo atshengisa vele okwenzakala ngale ebig room eboardroom actually vele ukuthi amboni ukuthi izinto zi right eDynamos.
Just
administration yankhona na I don't know what is really happening ama big institutes.
And ikhithi yabinga la sponsor na fresh sponsor
ayila sponsor labo ngabanye ekhaya ngathi labo sebethanda ukuhlala becela besenzelwa ama freebies. I don't know manje ukuthi kuzasithatha kusihambise nga abantu khanyela ukuthi abangama supporters eDynamos. Bona even le motto yabo wathini 7 million supporters.
It's too much.
But it doesn't show. So ngeke so performance yabantu abama supporters ay 7 million la.
But ku Scotland beating a team like Dynamos ku final 5-0. What that statement win is still Tina as the lovers of the period game.
Yeah, first and foremost, before even that statement says anything to anyone, beating the brand name Dynamos, whether Dynamos is not performing well boardroom or whatsoever, won't be weak or whatsoever, Uguti Dynamos is the team with most league in Zimbabwe, the team which has achieved so many things as they have fair semi-final in the Champions League. We see 5-0, 5-nya, 5 qanda. And it's a broad statement. Scotland coming to the new season, which are coming, the big names everyone scored. Abantu their goals that were going to with super quality goals that they were so nice. So it means that Scotland is a threat. Back to back, but nonetheless, it would chicken. I
don't think these guys will agree with you. I'm born to Buberana.
Mina ukuthi kuchacha game lana yawona manje ukuchacha ngeDynamos mina iDynamos ngabona idliwa yithi ngasikade akula lutho la hayi Dynamos
but you go 50-50 la wena one note la kuJaros
kwawomelanga vele siwine one note because iDynamos ngokwayo vele in terms of football manje lama Dynamos supporters lapha expect something with Dynamos hayi it's a luck kule statement lesikhuluma eshoneni ukuthi inorarama nelakhe Dynamos manje izararama ngelakhe hayi because Dynamos is not a team manjana ikudliwa kwezinokheni lokana bra 5-0 hayi siyangisile iDynamos iyenza ngani iScotland blind iScotland ayiko blind until league izaqala uzabona iScotland ayiko blind iDynamos ukuthi ifile ukhuluma ngeDynamos vele ukhuluma ngabadlwane vela okuyizinja lezana omdlwane lokavalekileyo
iza ku surprise
hayi
iza surprise but mina yakwathi mboneni
yazi mina I think and vele abantu ukuthi khathese beBodynamos labo basathatha ama friendly games ona lawo lama cup games lawa njengama kumbe bathatha njengama friendly kumbe but
Lana nje ikhathi
mina
challenge.
I expected ukuthi since i-Dynamos sikuyadlala i-competitive game was going to perform better only for them to do worse than abakwenza ku-Highlanders igame in-Highlanders game i-Highlanders balokhuza badliwa 1-0 even though even though bona bathi kuyaligo yabo yayi-controversial and all but laphana sasizitshoti vele from laphana bazanjani bazabe sebephikile sebehlangene na I think maybe unye kudliwa ucoach ngoba ucoach maybe oyehlulekene ama-tactics and all
singatshayenja sifihla umphini i-Dynamos ifile i-Highlanders ibifile lana idlala that day lapha
Besifuna ukutsho njalo ukuthi awutshengiseli yini
bezihlangene uthi kona the level of competition eku-Highlanders le-Dynamos they need to be up that standard a little bit so that they can match i-league esiyakiyo ngoba sasakhuluma sonke futhi masuthi sathi kona i-Highlanders ngeke ukutshintsha sihambe sithembe lokho sizabongolela but saziduduza ngokuthi khona ube test ama-players since ama-players amaningi anje ukudlala iphandle but singasebenzisa lokho nasabone eBF sikwenze ezilo kuze i-yardstick yethu ukuthi wacha i-Dynamos akula lutho but izolo lelana manje it was a very competitive match everyone wanted a silverware plus 20,000 plus 20,000 phezulu i-Dynamos lapha nirorothiwe lapha
i-Highlanders yadlala kahle nje i-Highlanders layo i-team ebulalayo nje kube yawina kumbe 3 kumbe 4 ku-Dynamos but ngoba vele kwakuyiziphofu zichubana zodwa yabona vele
lengoma ethu esihlabelayo ku-chicken into kona i-team engela order sayirorotha yiko kwenza i-Dynamos la order bayirorotha
i-Dynamos vele ukhuluma ngefootball ku-Dynamos
because awusoze ungene eground bra ugqokise umuntu ibizo lisentanyeni esentanyeni la unumber ilandela ngaphansi kwentamo konapho then you have already stolen the confidence of a player usengena nje ngathini ngeplayer but i-confidence kaselayo
so ngathi umuntu egemini amabhuzi
yabona into eyayikhulunywa ngomachisi ukuthi kona yahambisa umntwana esikole ngemasandaka abanye begqoka ama-school shoe usu expect ukuthi umntwana uyapasa kahle
hey
i-problem laphana iku-executive ku-administration whosoever who's responsible nxa ikhithi ye-Dynamos ibiphuzile ngabasebenzi abelisebenzisa msukana kwa-Highlanders lapha it was going to be better than ukuthi besebenzele idoda befake lapha
and usukhulume into ukhuluma executive le-administration ungikhumbuze indaba ebesemphose ngayichiya kancane ubone what happened the region phela i-division beqalise over the weekend but dololo ama-game bathi i-communication izinto ezinjalo mina ziyamphutha off njani izifa ayavelanga o-referee
but izifa yona iyala phela statement sonesi iyala ubone ukuthi uhamba njani kahle asikabi lama-clear details
but iyona iyala ngokuthi itshelwe late ithi ayitshelwanga kahle ukuthi iba availele ama-referees
ukwa-assessa bona basebelungisezele lokhu zeni and ikhokhana
so i-administration
ukungazwanani kwelokhu zenini kwezifa le-Northern Region I think it shows ukuthi zifa is not taking serious ama-junior lokhu zenini
ama-ranks
aphansi because bona they now prioritize i-premier kuphela while is to D1 kunguyofit i-premier so
but what if
D1 ngaba le problem obvious ama problem dana abazaqanisa lawo bebuye lawo futhi ku premier
what I'm saying is what if administratively in Northern Region ay communicatanga lezi zifa is saying ukuthi because yona anti ifuna ukuqalela i-Premier League into le ngingazibuza ukuthi vele eZimbabwe traditional ama division 1 they follow after i-Premier League, Premier Soccer League yona because Southern Region asiyezwa ukuthi data ikakhitshwa ukuthi iqalisa nini i-league so Central Region asiyezwa lutho Eastern Region asike yona Northern Region ibisifunda ihlibe yiye eqalisa ilizwe lonke and ngapha at the same time yendlela izifa ekhuluma bengacommunicateanga kushaphuno ke kumbe izifa right ukuthi vele babatshelanga ukuthi
ayikho right izifa yabona into enhlezi ngikhuluma ngihlezi ngihlabela ingoma yami lapha ngikona ukuthi kona yonke into iphakama kumbiwe kunkokheli it falls and rises from the leader right wena as a parent ngunika umzekeliso umntana wakho ebuye ethi kona dedi kusasa kuthiwa kule trip esikolo imali engaka obvious kumbe not ngathi umntana wakho ngithi isikolo sithi kona kusasa sile trip isifuna imali engaka bahle bekutshele khona what do? You tell them in time ukuthi khona you have to postpone because it's not possible. That's the same thing as if athi futhi kwenze. Ibudget no, isikhathi esithile sona sincane. We are ill prepared for this. We are not playing lokuzeni into zabandlwane ezothi lapha esishashane khona mbe kuthiwa sesiyazingela silezi nje ezingana singameni sezingela. Asilungisele nini usuku lwakhona ukuthi now selisitshelile isikhathi esithile sona sincane, we need time. Maybe 2 days, maybe 2 weeks, maybe whatsoever, postpone with a week, then we start. Then ukuthi khona sipombu alisitshelanga akula communication ukuthi don't go ahead or go ahead. So Izifo was supposed to say go ahead or don't go ahead in time because ngesikhathi esincane sona sesitsheliwe. Because go ahead yonke sithola kuZifo. Anje bonke iPSL iyathi khona ama teams abe 20. Izifo yakuyala because that's the power, the motherboard of football as well. They govern that in time. Bakuyala futhi in time. That was prop. So befuze futhi beyala la futhi in time.
Mina okunye I think mina ukuthi anti abonti ama regional lokuzenini. Ama regional
bodies
lawo. Kulamanya alemali, kulamanya angela mali.
You know then.
So then kadesi since silama teams angathi alemali.
Le sponsor sabe MCM is this.
Sometimes umntwana engazibona yena selemali sebone ngathi akusamela ngenjani elaleleni umzali sefuna ukuthi kukhale esakhe. So khathesi mina one good thing about into eyenzekeleyo Izifo ukuthi I think mina ifake i-Northern region endaweni yayo ukuthi babonise ukuthi thina ithi in charge ukuthi lina akumelanga linjani
without money
ngoba lina selile mali selibona yathumbe lina selingcono. Things don't work that way.
But still you have to tell them.
I think usukhulume enye into ngokukhuluma in time. Remember last I think was which episode ebesikhuluma ngama waivers o cafe for coaches. Mbone Lokuzeni iPlatinum yahle yabhalela Izifo in time ukuthi guys besicela iwaiver since our coach uJoy Luphahla does not meet the standard selisifakile. So sicela ni waiver sizalungisisa uza kade sebe coach currently. Amanye ama team angela iLokuzeni lawo I think they should follow suit.
Yeah, and futhi abantu into yona lani shekile izinto. Kayisi abanye coach la bahle bathola imisebenzi. For instance imbone uMark Martins now the new head coach weAgama. Bekthemba is not sure ukuthi you'll be the first assistant or the second assistant for Islanders. So
uncedwe yini ama certificates?
Uncede la ama certificates ngokuyana sokucreate
imisebenzi.
Employment ngapho kodwa ufuna ukukhatha kodwa sokucreate lo create.
But is it not a good thing in a waiver? Just
I think the knowledge of football or the knowledge of run administration FC Platinum fuze abantu bonke bebeyazi nxa ngingena kuma executives so wosef ukuthi khona kungaba lento enje kuyafana nalawe sonke sinje so isikhathi simele siyaloja ungabona ukuthi khona inyanga lembili angikwanisa ukubhadala irent uyahamba uyokhuluma nomaster no bengicela ukuthi ngiyabhadala mhla ka15 kade izinto zami ezinjani azimanga kahle aziyabheda. So if you realize that because ungavumba ukuthi nizama ukudinga ungayitholi kuyaba nzima but ungakhuluma in time la uma standard nxa ingayala but inyanga isafika wehle ukubhadala but acho kanjani wayinjelile so siza unika grace period that one so
ngikhombela lama ngabhadala.
So that's what you have to do ukuthi ama teams okwenziwe FC Platinum than ukuthi sibexotsho coach athi sivele sibehambe kuma pre-season ke ungasekho fair to those coaches and ama coaches akona them take this opportunity to upgrade.
And ukhuluma ipoint enhle emnandi ezafundisa ivina ababukeli ukuthi khuluma kusase lesikhathi and show great leadership but no guys we understand ukuthi lifuna ufaka umthetho but besicela alright lisinike nje o grace period silungisise siyabuya la sesinjani sesimnandi. I think that's a good point.
In that point abakhangelanga kodwa for abantu laba basecue ucoach wabo athi sebevele sebemnjani
osenze pre-season yabona
two basecue ama players yabona even lama supporters as well yabona kokhana ukuthi bebesebele bond besebele ndime sebeyihambile ezinga nje then libe selikhatha seqala ucreate enye into sithiwa you are creating jobs for umunye umuntu siyaqala from zero lapha eqale khona from -0 yabona. So iPlatinum ibonise into ethiwa professionalism
and true leadership.
True leadership.
And I'm hoping in Zifa
let's just not cut nje just immediately nje ngani ngama things
ngamagetsi asekhambile
hayi amagetsi
Tona bathi-
amagetsi ngazehambe these days
Thina hayi Praxol thina vele say two. Kade sengathi gci uyabona sesilate. Athi with Praxol our covered. Shayisa.
so anjabona ukuthi kunje so ama teams ala Praxol eBorena ula Praxol so kumele abafana beqalise phansi ukubhonda ukuthi maye sokulomathi mana siqalise lo mathi umathi la uzaba le style
Sokumathi sokubuya unxumana.
ongekho familiar nabana so yaqala pass from 990 so yabona mina iplatinum ngathi kule platinum kule Chiefs mfethu hayi lawa ama team apply
So
professionalism
into esikhuluma I hope ukuthi Zifa izalalela and inikeze amanye ama team because I don't think ukuthi nguJoe yedwa in the country ongela uCafe.
Cafe.
I think bakhona abanye coach labo bemelele ukuthi platinum ivula indlela.
awuthi la because vele indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili ukopha into enhla ukho wrong uyabona ungakwazi kule into enjalo ekhona so nxa ukwazi kule into enjalo then you can use those opportunities
Apply for a waiver. I'm hoping ukuthi iZifa izavuma simbone ucoach Joe. Speaking about Lokuzen, I think they played differently over the weekend Friday le Kwanda Pirates. Sesikhipha ma secret abantu what is. Anomachisa abantu beloke bebuza athi ungamachisa sekhatshana bafethu sedlala ku Kwanda Pirates so badlale le platinum awubekhala sithi hayi amadoda platinum yebo lathi siyabuya but hayi platinum yachuva badlwe 2 nothi platinum ku friendly nge Friday so labana babeloke bebuza uma comments athi ungamachisa these days so wabuyele emsebenzi khali sekhatshana ku Kwanda Pirates u Kwanda Pirates agijima khona
but leso kuthi uzavakatsha phela ukuthi sengalobele eGwanda
Ani lothi kuba iprofessionalism kumele ehambe prepare itraining sharp ngoba engabuya kusho ukuthi ke siyamdlela isikhathi sakhe sokuthi lapha no izani besilayi kona eduze ube khona pha kobulawa so sekhona ngale but
ngolapho uzabuya
hawu yena kusekhaya uyabuya so moving on gents i-Castle Challenge sidlulile sibonile Premier Soccer League is coming back iyaqalisa mhla ka6 this weekend
this Friday
eish business kuyafika ama team aselungise let's hope amanye besibona just a few let's hope la de becha behind the scenes are ready so I'll give out the fixtures Premier Soccer League then siphonga ubona nje ukuthi singathatha wapi sinika ama predictions I think would have done justice to this episode so first fixture we've got Cape United taking on Agama Rentals taking on Chicken Inn Triangle United will be taking on ZPC Kariba Hard Rock versus Scotland Ngezi Platinum Stars versus Platinum FC Platinum Manica Diamonds ivula le Simba Bora FC Hunters ile Moz Tel 1 ile Dynamos then Emagumen back of the derby Islanders taking on Bulawayo Chiefs amakhosi amahle which fixtures lapha from now engwabizile alibona ukuthi eish ngiyafio mina just picked up 2 i-Islander le Lokuzeni le Bulawayo Chiefs then iyadrop le Scotland angazi maybe ngceke kule yinye la uthi hey wow njobe i-Renters ile Chicken Inn ubhenza uthi uyamcava umdala
kodwa nje ukuthi sisakhuluma kwebhora kadesi asikakhulumi ngamaxhegu kwengene ground sakhuluma ngokwebhora because lena
mjalo kwathi ubhenza last year wacha istand eYC versus Chicken eluvive ngathi wacha istand wena umdala uthi ixhegu
uyafuna afana belokhu kanjana lo honorable babemekela nje like etholi chance
uyamekela lidliwe banenge idliwe lokho isithi honorable but anyway on a serious note let's look at these fixtures
Iadrock and Scotland is a match to watch
ama money bags
it's a match because lapana akulo uthi wakho now uza 13 omunye ngemali imbe njani ngoba yonke imali khona
imali ziyachiyana mjalo ibonela baba leskipa sithenge 1 million ngapha i25 gram
kayile ama assets bra
ama assets
ngapha sivula stadium
because stadium lesenxa sifuna usithengisa kuhle
kuyafika
siyafika ku 100 million
kuyafika
wasiqedile ngaso ukusithengisa
kuyafika
it's a good investment which it did and two
Kayindu
Mapeza Kayindu is very good and yes, they faced each other Mapets numerous times, and I think Ukind has got a better head-to-head than Ulokuzeni Mapets. Ngingasenani ukuthi now Mapets has got good quality, but no njengale sokulama players amaningi futhi la yadrock
Kind of quality, bra.
Junior Makonike, Xolani,
Navaya.
You see, that is a good team.
Lamaswazi.
It Scotland ngaqalisela from iformula abakiyo bepick from there. So ngabanzi because from what we saw izolo hayi strikers coach weScotland sibili noma iyo yo team le strikers coach seemed like umntwana umsebenzi wakhe yawazi sibili
Manager mdala anu manager vele la ngugunman.
Yeah, so
The legendary Peter Ndlovu. Manager, we are motivated enough.
I can't be the spirit is Sundowns.
But also prediction ekemina le.
Ubuhle bakhona ukuthi manager kadlali strikers coach. So lingathi lise thusela le
Give me a prediction.
Prediction yami
At Rock Scotland.
At Rock is going to win 2-0. Icorporate one lahlohlwa ngulolo elinye lahlohlwa ngulokuze Junior Makonike.
At Rock Scotland. Uyibona njani?
Hard Rock 1-0 yabulala Scotland.
At Rock Scotland.
3-1 Scotland to win.
Bevuli stadium bra.
3-1 Scotland to win.
I'll go for a draw. I am vumudliwa mvuli stadium ngixexebula ama plastic. Umuntu ebuye double 3.
Saqayisela khona.
Avela sivule ngithi emzini wethu.
Saqayisela khona.
Butho uyalila ubheza. We are going away to rentals.
Yeah, we're going away to rentals, and momentum and equation ekuchikenini abafana abana abala indlela abangani ukubambana kabo so lothando abalalo. It's a moral booster for the team. They've got a good connection, good quality players because akula quantity phela kule quality.
Ngenye team ethengileyo and
akula quantity kule quality because even singakhuluma bona bona abasele uMajika oLolo oBhebhe oItayi uDono ungabafaka bona abana bodwa bevele ufake bona abangavele bekwane 11 bafake bona kufile kuyibenza olokuzenini
rentals
mase sithenga abanye sisifaka nabona ama foreigners sebechaya isOgasa bosakhona ngale asisibaqedile
but okunye what we have to put it into consideration ukuthi i-rentals
ayiluzanga kakhulu ama player
ayireshaftlanga khona
and the performance yabo last season they were one of the best teams.
Yeah, one of the best performing teams.
Yeah, ngendlela ade bedlala ngayo even though ukhulu besithi ukhulu bekhona
thina upgrade bona upgrade nje bo i-version yabo WhatsApp i-version yabo WhatsApp is updated thina sishaya nge-new version now but I win chicken in brother you win chicken nxa ngasawina ngamagoals amaningi kakhulu iyawina to on a clean sheet
ichicken uvumelana la iputaza
hayi sabona after 90 minutes zalelo la
but also prediction though
chicken versus
rentals versus chicken
chicken in my twin 2-1
Sutman
draw 1-1
clean sheet.
I don't think undiraye ngavuma given ama resources abamneyona I think he might take this because ene ngomunye umuntu oyi-threat yena lona
ngamele ukhanye ukuthi eSpain ayisiyadinga
ngoba mjala sokuthi uvele eSpain uzodliwa ngubhenza
ama students idale bhaliza abantu abahuvu
ngamsola kakhulu on a serious note. I think for me I think undiraye might take this one. Then there is also another interesting fixture guys ngezi Platinum Stars le ngizobathi besithi
Amagetsi asilahlisile nje anivele sithi amagetsi ahambe ngakhuluma
abari ayizimba nje
vele zibengane yakwazi ukuthi kule practice
I think umuntu wezeza lo uyawazi kule sile practice
yeah uhlala ule backup kodwa uqhathekile
wedini
yeah
wathi ngasawazi ukuthi beyinga mbuzwa gci laze vele ukuthi abajida sevela connecta kuphela ku Praxwood. I think somele sikhumbe be Praxwood besifakele la eku building ibe late sibe anti bafaka ama change over switch
yeah
ukuthi abagezi my city behle bechaye change over it ngoba nje ngethukile mbuzwa amajida sithi so kumnya weste bamnyama zokhaya abazi
yeah
but that's the beauty of having sponsors esinje Praxwood. You know ukuthi if anything happens like that about izesiliga because nje temphuma nje kaphandle abantu main street wonke sokumnyama nje aba robots azasipha yonke into vele asoku blind but
uzubone khonapho akaza sehambile akaza kaluthi abuya nini kuba so prasol kube siyalinda kuzoke ucha u7 because into egesi le hayi kabe ayikwazakala but thanks for sithona sisho ukuthi ubaluleka kaPrasol nje abantu kubaluleka kanjani nanku we are still continuing nothing estophileyo nothing ephambanisekileyo we continue the program.
We are Praxol, electrical and solar energy is what we do. We are Praxol, professional and know the way. We are Praxol, isizwe sonke ngesola, isizwe sonke ngamaketsi. We are Praxol, nyika yesene sola, nyika yesene maketsi. We are Praxol, we are Praxol, customer care plenty, well-trained team on hand, professional service, superior service beyond any measure. Isizwe sonke ngesola, isizwe sonke ngamaketsi. We are Praxol, nyika yesene sola, nyika yesene maketsi. We are Praxol, we are
Praxol, your one-stop shop for all solar and electrical needs.
Kaje where were we? Oh, you want to add something?
No, hayi chicken sithethe bani sesukungezile lokuze nini.
Ngithi maybe you want to add something ePraxol.
Hayi iPraxol nentshoni sesikhanyisela kade sesibonana kuhle sesizwakala.
Because mele ucace nje
Because
ukuthi
iPraxol phela is try leno yabona ama days ka Ole umenu ukuthi
last minute
labe sabulist ithi play lithembileyo lingani lifaka uOle lithi kufaka umuntu ongayisuki but efike ehlohle foka wani
last minute
super sub uthiwa i super sub ukuthi
energy champion.
yes
ngalezi suka fuza ngobe le sub yabule replacement
khona bese singena ku fixer engezi platinum le FC Platinum as a mining kade kumele sikhulume ama energy champions nje ukhulume kuhle but anyway, thanks to Praxol electrical and solar energy, we are continuing our affected to Nandist. So, James, another interesting fixture, Ngezi Platinum, FC Platinum. How do you see that one? Even as a Suitman.
Yabi se wome ngeza.
Ngeza epawpop.
Ucho udinya mesaba. La Juliana Platinum ngingawina 2-1 or 2-0.
Which Platinum?
Platinum Stars nothingezi. FC Platinum singawina 2-1 ngoba how Joe is a coach.
Yeah, regardless of ukuthi uJoe is a good coach or what. Inkezi Platinum anje kwasilele ama restriction not ayisathenga ama players. So isisebenza khona ke lakho. Khona kanti bayicuthile amabhana abalayo. It works as a major disadvantage to them playing against a team njenge Platinum. Match isebenzisi kweni yabulala. So sibuhle yabulala vele I think ngokuyewini kwe Platinum kusingabuswa FC.
Vuma Zaveres.
Lapha lami I think straight twin for FC Platinum. Cause ibhane liyana vele ilokhu ze stumbling block.
Ngabe Caps yabathathela 8.
Caps yabathathela 8 including coach. But mina I think njenge team adile grassroots lokho because abakhona uqhatheka kwani development side because anti umuntu akwazi ukusuka development side esakusine team ibhane liyana affect. So I think now with development side yabo it wasn't that bad. So iyo maybe yazasebenza maybe it might shock us all ngendlela okuzayenzakala ngayo
ngoba babe hungry for abafana abancane bayahlupha
everyone is hungry for a shine as long ungaperforma kuhle awungeke uhlale vile season kayithi sike sabona sibile ama transfers are right abantu behamba bese egoli landa.
Then last one gents, I know I'm fixtures maning but interesting fixtures that we're looking at Islanders Bulawayo Chiefs. I think they Bulawayo yamanzi.
Yeah, ayethusi le vele Bulawayo Chiefs ngabantwana labana bethu abafana bethu. Siyaba discipline ngendlela emnandi ayikhona ukuthi nje siyabanga kuba chafu notho ubazwela nje abafana livela kwenye indawo nje mana silinike ezi4 hayi Bulawayo Chiefs hayi asilanda thina siyaba supporter uzubona siyaba supporter siyaba chafu notho ishows ukuthi siyabathanda shows kakhulu siyabathanda
ubuhlungu bukhona ukuthi obhuru bami bebe ngqikilana mina I'm standing as a neutral there ngibukele nje but
awusembulele emva angikwazi ukuthi ngithi
but ukukhuluma kwaMasuthu ukukhuluma komuntu osupportayo lapana Masuthu lapana kunzima ngoba khayeli team liyana yethu ayiChiefs ithi ithenge njani ilama players futhi amaningi asuke kuBhoso and i-engine yeBhoso yakhona umuza vele kafuna ukubona iBhoso enqenje former chickenini asazi. So I think if what is khuluma lezanani ziyakuphendulela zibe nganga.
For but I think the best result engayithola lena nasi ngalidlanga 2-1 I think withdraw but thina ngendlela descha ngayo from i-D1 singabuya lokho i-team ingaluzanga lokho njengoba sibhife up sesiwesi the confidence adokhulunywa ngayo come match day uzabona ukuthi come match day uzabona abantu bazabe begqoke njani bayethuka abantu bayilenda bebona smartness.
Point of correction uyazi ukuthi iyathi ngena kwala iBulawayo Chiefs ayingakangena nje isasephandle anjena yabe posta uFacebook thina sesishanga reality ihamba kuphela kwayongela flag eyodwa eBulawayo Chiefs izimota zonke hayi imota kwayongela ngaphandle kwebhasi yayibale bhale Bulawayo Chiefs thina istadium sonke baba kabe kuyi black and white okunyone ngoBulawayo Chiefs lokho kuyakwazi phela lapha eBF
serious kuphela kweLenders ngabalandeli bayo abalandeli
yona lo driver kuphela ofikisa i-team on time
ya kwenzani khona ukhala to opponent ungalimisa wena ibhora lapha eBF emagumeni kumala sisekele iBF ungalimisa iBF
sukhala ama head ethu thina vele iBlack Chiefs is regarded as ama giant slayers and iHighlanders yayi giant previous seasons kodwa khathesi I doubt ukuthi lokhilazi strength so siya ngesikukhangeleyo ngepreseason
ngoba uDavis Advocate ngikhayela technical team eHighlanders we've got uBenjani as head coach ngoku wakhuluma ukuthi they've just acquired ubeka iThemba Ndlovu legend leHighland mkhokheli Dube legend eHighlanders manager Zenzo Moyo akuboost yini immoral ecamp nxa uthi uyakhangela ibhenji phela ibhenji leli yanamdala liyasabisa ukhangele yiyayilinda ikho yama-legends just speaking from i-engle embona ngale le moral engiyibona ecamp eBotswana.
Yeah, that's true what we are saying, and inkinga isisiwa kuthani abafanele bakhona banjani. They've got a good technical bench. We cannot take anything away from bench. We cannot take anything away from Uzenzo. We cannot take anything away from Umshoza. We cannot take anything from Ubeke. Bonke, they're good, well played. Sasibabona ngesikhathi sabo besenza into abezenzayo. We cannot doubt that they are Islanders legends. They are good. But the problem now will come with the players deliver. It's one thing to drive a donkey into the river, and it's another thing to force it to drink. So that's where the problem is. Ukuthi abafana bazalifika benathe inamanzi asebawaphiwe labantu.
Mana mphinde njengoba mina engavozwa
Mana sibanathe.
mana ngiyavozwa
Inkinga ekhona ukuthi khona
usubona usunathe ngomso ukuthi
Sibanyana sesothi bahle.
inkinga lapho ekhona. Inkinga ikhona lapho ukuthi khona abafana bazakwanisa yini uinterpreter into abazifundisiweyo, because that is ngibukela lapha ngabona abafana we've got talent and got fear ukuthi base express, especially umfana number 4 number 5 lo, they're afraid to express themselves. So I think maybe ngabe ngakwanisa uku-expressa, they stand in advantage.
and another thing njengoba mina ngikhuluma ngama-editions Mbeba is back simbonile wonke ukhona eBotswana is ready to go akuboost yini ngoba bekungani nguye awuyethuki yini
Ngesabe Mbeba.
Asimesabi singazi abe season igame first game yathi iqalisa idili la engakapasi elendlu asazi ukuthi uzadlala umbiyabe akasoze kumbe selipasile asikezwe.
So alright, let's give our predictions. Ngiqalise uhle wathi 4
4-1. Sayabazwela
2-2.
Apply Chiefs win 2-1.
2-1. I see a draw in this one also. I see a draw, maybe it's 1-1 draw.
Inkinga ekhona ukuthi lina le rate yayilinda according to Dynamos. Liyana bengaso just a reserve besihlalisa just abafana babe trial lapha. Yayilinda baba istay baba.
Sicabangela lapha.
Hayi stay la labana bafana ngawutshela i6 yakho na ubazi 8 yakho na even lathi ama supporters abanye besingabazi.
It's not like ukuthi game day so
New season.
sizakhuluma next week game
Sunday ngesandile izinkinga mhlawumbe.
Asihle siyipakeni khona phethu ibhasi. Next week sebe sesikhuluma ireality ukhuluma social media le reality.
zakuphathela ama wipes ohlingini.
That is just sesikhuluma ireality. Ngicela ama last words sivale nini. I think imbambo zami sezibudlungu.
Tawuzakhala njengoMario.
My last words goes down to every football fan out there who loves football. First of all, ngicela ngibonge for being nominated kuba Nama Awards, and that recognition means a lot, and thank
Voting
you.
is valid certificate.
And ngibonge futhi for 4,000 subscribers we now have on YouTube. Keep
Plus.
on it's now plus. Keep on subscribing and we become more. Then coming back to the football fraternity, where the wait is now over. The wait is now over. Coming weekend we are kicking off. Gizabe zingenga zikhala. But isikhala zosami isicelo sami sokuthi khona asambe neground siye support ama teams ethu and accept any result. Eboreni kulama results angu3 each and every time nxa usiya. There is a win, there is a lose, there is a draw. And it's either any team yathathi win, any team ithathi lose. Kumbe lonke lithathi draw. So but sonke sisuke endlini, the team A and team B sikhangele result A1, which is to win. Nxa ungasaba kanjalo asikuyamukeleni ni singaxabane singachayani, because singachayana kusasa sizafuna ukudlala sonke. Singangena eground i-team ethu izafayindiswa kula mali eZimbabwe. So let's play the football for the love of the game, not ukuthi singene. Of course asizungena ngenhliziyo usuzekele because nxa uyithanda ibhola vele. I've tried that myself, but uyayizwa inhliziyo ingenga sometimes nxa i-team idliwa. Iyayala inhliziyo uqinisela kube buhlungu, but nonetheless if ulenhliziyo engani fragile ufuna ukuthi uthokoze this season, come to Chicken Inn, you enjoy for the rest of the season. Tara, I love you so much.
I think we should actually shun away from
Acha kuvuthi
violence.
sesashawutwe savereza. Ngokhulumela abakhangela.
I think you should actually shun away from violence, the hooliganism, because this sport is meant to unite people, not to divide people. so ngobuningi bethu bantu asambenini siyehlangana emaground angeke ngithi sihambeni siyebukela iBlack Chiefs le kuphela ngeSunday but asizameni ukusupporta wonke ama teams cause imali zama-gate takings yizo futhi ezicina zincedisa ama-teams ona lawo othi kusasa sithi begqoke njengabantu abagida kodwa
hayi vale muwe futhi othi i-team yakho begqoke njengabantu abagida last week sihambe
my last week emfikelayo manje isebhayibhilini
lesopa cornerstone
ethi all things work together for a good. Lokhu ngikutsho ukuthi yazi kubethwa igetsi le ayicimanga kuba iPrasol ayibonakalanga. So siyabonga ukucima kwegetsi iPrasol into esikhuluma ngayo ibonakele. We thank you bantu begetsi ngoba khangelani manje zokhanya isikhuluma into ekhanyayo. Yalani licitha as long as iPrasol yalani licitha silandaba lami. So thank you very much zesa there liprofeta asobantu bamanga sikhuluma into ekhanyayo lebe Prasol asobamanga now we are continuing abanye abantu abala guest just because le Prasol so ngathi ungamemetheka kwezindlini and so forth eBoreni asihambene eBoreni kakhulu this Sunday i-team engilandelayo let us sonke asihambene eBoreni sevandalize abantu senze konke right
seqeda kubuya emuzo uthi sevandalize abantu eground
sevandalize if or not
bale yisithembi
angithi sevandalize ngeviolence sevandalize like thina sevandalize ngefonoti awula problem ngabafana bethu nje just umfana uyamvandalize kancane ukuthi next time ebekwazi ukuthi ubhuti ngubani in the house
haya iChiefs ungachecka even khathesi bawazi kulo bhuti ngiyabona enye ipost besithi ayibhasopa bhuti ngeweekend kuyayilahla
1926 team yeZimbabwe yonke endala ukudlulela
la besiza abadla ngayo ubona besiya sports shop yethu le besiyathenga amabhora ukuthi ngetraining iplayer libe lebhora
sports zone
sports zone besiyathenga amabhora sibili amaningi ngokuthi umuntu mebe ngalala eqamela ibhora mebe ngadlala ngcono.
So in closing mina I would like to say ukuthi butho line travel ngikhayela le travel safe gents.
Thank you.
Harare umango wanothe travel safe undira I know uyabe home uyabebuyela home lama gents seliphenduka lingaphendukeli 3 liphenduke liwanengi njengoba labe lihambele liwane but honestly no travel safe then liphenduke we hoping ukuthi Bulawayo liphenduke le 3 points ngapha ngikhaya mina ngikhayele li draw bonke mfundi eMande studio sibe happy sonke 1-1 donke libe happy then ubusu touchile would like to thank abantu abasixhasayo and above all our sponsors iPrasol. We saw what happened during the shoot but sajabula Prasol ikhona we continued clean smart akula into esingathi siphongotha nje 2 minutes siyehlisa intambo so sizakhuluma labe Prasol besifayile isola then to iSport Zone yabona nje uqeda ukhuluma basifayela amabhola lele livalele liblue alele amfuni likhanye lele blue mpost picture ilo mangoma athi good luck bamcha 5 so amfuni ukuthi leli likhanye lele eli blue but otherwise take it to also iSport Zone then the okuhle designs they've been with us since day one. On that note guys siyabonga uxhaso continue subscribing khona bana comment section you know what to do utshela abanye abantu bengakhohle betshela abanye uyazi umnandi ubona ifamily ilokhi cool tell a friend to tell a friend. So on that note guys until next week sesikhuluma reality okwenzakeleyo emaground. Sithanda kakhulu.